Hey folks, this video is a review of Eggshell Opener. It is designed to effortlessly crack eggs without creating flakes. The opener is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. The product is currently offered at almost $10 with promotions like buy one, get one free, and many more offers. During our research, we discovered some positive features of the Eggshell Opener, but we also found some concerns. So be sure to watch the video until the end, where we'll reveal whether or not you should consider purchasing this product. The first positive sign is that this product is made from stainless steel. This means it will last a long time and won't rust easily. The strong material makes it very durable, so you can rely on it for many years. You can use it at home or outside, and it will hold up well over time. The second positive sign is the design includes an egg-shaped groove. This special groove helps keep the egg steady, making it much easier to crack without making a mess. By holding the egg securely in place, this design reduces spills and messes, giving you a cleaner and more enjoyable cooking experience. Despite these positive points, there isn't much feedback available on the product's official website or other online sites. This lack of reviews makes it hard to know if the product really works as it claims and if it does what it's supposed to do. People looking to buy it may struggle to figure out if it's reliable and effective, since there aren't enough customer opinions to help them make a decision. Now let's come to the final question. Whether should you purchase this product or not? While the stainless steel build and unique egg-shaped groove design offer promising benefits, the lack of customer feedback raises concerns about the product's reliability. Potential buyers should carefully consider these positives against the uncertainty of its effectiveness. It may be wise to look for more information or explore alternatives with verified reviews before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. Until the end, we really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and fun content.